Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft error code C10. So let's jump right into it without delaying any more time. So let me explain what is error code C10. This error is mainly related to Minecraft marketplace issues. It is usually occurs when the marketplace servers are experiencing problems. Unfortunately, this is often a server side issue, meaning there's not much you can do except wait and try again later. So let me explain what you can try. Clear marketplace cache. One thing you can do is try clearing marketplace cache. So you have to open Minecraft settings, scroll down and click on storage. Here you can see this option called storage. Tap onto this, select the option that says clear marketplace cache, then you have to click confirm. So that's it. This might help the issue. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.